Phoenix Ghost Drone.
What is the Phoenix Ghost drone, the Pentagon's secretive loitering new suicide drone being sent to Ukraine? We know that during Russia's invasion of Ukraine, drones proved to be more effective than before. Unmanned aerial vehicles, such as the Turkish-built Bayraktar drones and the smaller tube-launched Switchblades, have been a part of the reason why Russian tanks keep getting beheaded. A new drone, called the Phoenix Ghost, is being deployed by the US as part of its current supply of guns and equipment, and appears to be built for exactly the kind of battle taking place in Ukraine. While the Phoenix Ghost's design predates the invasion and just so happens to have coincidentally matched the war's conditions, the Pentagon is asking weapon manufacturers whether they have anything else that could be valuable to send to the conflict. The Phoenix Ghost is similar to the Switchblade drone. It's also a cheap one-time use suicide drone. It's a loitering munition that circles a target before exploding. The capabilities that Phoenix Ghost will provide to Ukraine are being kept a secret. The US official claimed to have no idea how Phoenix Ghost obtained its name, but added that Ukrainian operators who are already experienced with Switchblade or other unmanned aircraft would only need little training for the new system. Better navigation could lead to more precise strikes, especially when the weapon is small enough that precise placement on a vehicle's top armor matters. This, combined with the Phoenix Ghost's capacity to fly longer than existing Switchblades, could make it helpful in counter-offensive operations like those now being conducted by the Ukrainian military.
Please subscribe.